I'm Scott Hunter, and this is a presentation on the origins of integral building, how I used integral theory to bring together everything that seemed important in the field of building. I love the work of Christopher Alexander in paying attention to the feeling and our experience in buildings. His best-known work is a pattern language. Here's an example called Holy Ground, describing how space can be organized in a church or temple to create a deeper experience. Another example is light on two sides of every room. When they have a choice, people will always gravitate to those rooms which have light on two sides and leave rooms which are lit only from one side, unused and empty. This seems obvious now, but perhaps was not so obvious when a pattern language was created. After writing a pattern language in collaboration with other architects, Christopher Alexander looked for the principles underlying what's important and wrote The Nature of Order, a 4-volume work. And we'll look at this more deeply when we come to the realm of the soul or beauty. But besides Christopher Alexander's work, other things seem important. Sustainability, green building, building science and engineering. As an engineer, these are undeniably important. Happiness is stuff that works. I'm probably crazy, but if I'm holding an insulation hose in my hand, I'm blowing a ton of cellulose every hour into a big building with bad insulation. I'm just grinning. It makes such good sense. It just makes me happy. I can agree with this kind of sentiment. So all of this is important. And it was integral theory developed by Ken Wilber that allowed me to put it together. Integral theory has been applied to art, business, medicine, spirituality, politics, and now integral building. It's an evolutionary theory, looking at how things evolve or devolve. And it's both evidence and experience-based. Evidence-based is where we talk about truth, where we're looking at the surface of things, where the issues are objective, the exteriors. It also looks at experience, values experience, where we're looking at the interiors, where we must ask the person, and where we talk about truthfulness rather than an objective truth. Also, it promotes honoring the truth in all viewpoints. And the first of this is making a distinction between the individual, personal, or singular level and the plural, cultural or global viewpoint. This gives us 4 realms for integral building. On the exterior or objective side, we have building science and engineering as the microscope or individual level, and sustainability on the global. On the interior side, we have the soul of building, what's experienced individually, and taking the interior global viewpoint, we have the realm of community, of vision, of shared meaning.